It's about 8:15 in the morning on Friday. Is it June 1st already? It's 28, 29, 30. Yeah. No, it's Thursday. It's Thursday, June 1st, 2023. Anyway, these white birds are with the cows. I'm going to walk towards them and see if we can see what kind of birds they are. Hopefully they're eating flies. "8:15 in the morning, that is. I expect the birds to get up. Was that ram trying to mount a cow? Huh, another cow's doing her duty. Fertilizing my lawn for me. There's another one. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. All right. Yeah, I hear the birds. There they go. What kind of birds are those? They're small. They're about the same size as my ducks. My Muscovy ducks, which my Muscovy ducks are huge. Anyway, tomorrow morning, I'm going to move these animals to a new section. My son is pulling the wire down. I'm going to give him the rest of this section. That would be cells 5, 6, and 7. But in the new, oh, they're flying around. There's like 4 cows behind me defecating. Sounds like it's raining manure. Anyway, the cow, see, he's taking down the wire and are moving. You see how tall the grass is. So I think it's section either 6 or 7 has a tree along the fence line that should give plenty of good shade, at least in the morning. No, in the evening. So, all right, let's go check on the dogs. Hello, Miss You. Hello, Blackie. You don't have very many flies on you at all. So I've kept the dogs pinned up like this for probably over a week now. I don't know exactly when I started. The reason why I pinned them up is because the older dogs were leaving my property and coming home. And they need to stop that. They can't do that anymore. And the other reason is because I wanted to put the sheep with them, so they can bond with the sheep, and the sheep can bond with them. The issue is I don't have the sheep together. There's the other ewe and lamb over there. Anyway, here are my dogs. They're gonna jump on me. Down. No. Down. No, no jumping. No. No jumping. There's a lot of dog poo here now. Let's go check on their water. So I was worried they might get hot yesterday. So I put some of the dogs in the water so they can see that, hey, you can get in the water. They don't drink very much water compared to the cows. No jumping, seriously. Looks like the dogs have been digging a trench, getting ready for trench warfare against the Germans or something. The dogs haven't been eating well. So I finally decided to do this. So I go in here. I'm just hand feeding them right now. I need to build a feeder for them or somehow figure it out. And I put it in separate corners because the older dogs were not letting the younger dogs eat. All right, down. Stay. All right. All right. There you go. There it goes. It starts. And I think one of the reasons why the older dog wasn't letting them eat was because there wasn't enough food, because they weren't getting food out of the feeder, because there's ants and spiders and stuff in there. And they'd rather starve than eat ants. There you go. So I put them separate like that so that the older dog can't stop the younger dogs from eating. Right, Hindugi? Okay. And now Nutmeg is growling at the puppies. You guys got no food, huh? Here, use the feeder. Use the feeder. There's food in there. All kinds of food. And all kinds of ants. Maybe I gotta put ant bait out or something. Anyway, the cows are moved. Today it's going to get near 90 again, like it was yesterday. It was like 88, and now it's going to be 89. Friday it's going to get over 90. And then Saturday and Sunday it should be a storm. So we're looking forward to that. That's about all I have for you all. Have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.